Greetings, science enthusiasts and curious minds. Bill Nye here, on behalf of HMIAR. Today, we're diving into a subject that's all around us, influencing every move we make, every decision we take, even when we don't realize it. I'm talking about mathematics. Now I know what some of you might be thinking. Math? Numbers and equations. But hold on to your lab coats, because math is so much more than just problems in a textbook. It's a powerful tool, a universal language, and the invisible architect of our world. Did you know that math is working silently behind the scenes in almost everything you do every day? From buying groceries to baking a cake, math is everywhere. Stay tuned to find out how math shapes our lives in ways you probably never even noticed. So, get ready to have your perspective on numbers completely transformed. We'll uncover the mathematical magic in your shopping cart, your kitchen, your travel plans, and even your favorite tunes. Let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off where many of us interact with numbers daily. The store. Consider this. You're in the grocery aisle faced with two different sizes of your favorite cereal. Which one is the better deal? To figure that out, you're using math, specifically unit pricing, which involves division. And what about those tempting 20% off signs or buy one get one half price deals? That's percentages and fractions hard at work helping you calculate your savings. Every time you quickly estimate the total cost of your basket before you even reach the checkout, you're performing mental addition and subtraction. When you're planning your weekly budget, deciding how much to allocate for groceries, entertainment, or savings, you're engaging in some serious financial mathematics. Think about it. Even deciding if you can afford that new video game or those concert tickets involves a quick mental calculation of your disposable income. So the next time you're shopping, remember, you're not just a consumer, you're a mathematician in action, navigating the world of commerce with numbers as your guide. Now, let's move from the shopping cart to the kitchen counter because guess what? Cooking and baking are packed with mathematics. Think about your favorite recipe. It calls for 3/4 cup of flour, but you only have a 1/4 cup measure. How many scoops do you need? That's fractions. Or maybe you want to double a recipe to feed more guests. Or halve it if you're cooking just for yourself. That involves multiplication and division, ensuring all your ingredients remain in the correct proportion. Converting temperatures from Celsius to Fahrenheit, that's a mathematical formula. Understanding cooking times, knowing that a chicken needs to roast for 20 minutes per pound, that's multiplication and time calculation. Even the shape of your baking pan can involve geometry, influencing how evenly your cake bakes. From the simple act of counting out cookies onto a baking sheet to the more complex adjustments of a soufflé recipe, math is your trusted sous chef, ensuring everything comes out just right. So, the next time you whip up a delicious meal, give a little nod to the numbers that helped make it happen. Alright team, let's hit the road or the skies or even just walk down the street. Because whenever you're on the move, math is your co-pilot. When you plan a trip, you're constantly using math. How far is it to your destination? You're dealing with distance. How long will it take to get there? That's time. And if you want to know your average speed, you'll be dividing distance by time, a fundamental physics equation rooted in math. Think about the GPS on your phone or in your car. That incredible piece of technology is performing complex calculations every second, using principles of geometry and trigonometry to pinpoint your location and map out the best path. And if you're driving, you might be mentally calculating your fuel consumption. How many miles per gallon am I getting? Do I have enough gas to reach the next service station? These are all practical applications of arithmetic and ratios. Even deciding which route is shortest or fastest often involves comparing distances and estimated travel times, all numerical data. Math helps us explore the world efficiently and safely. Chapter 4. The Digital Universe. Math powering your technology. Let's talk about something many of us use every single minute of the day. Technology. Your smartphone, your computer, the internet, it's all built on a foundation of mathematics. Every time you tap, swipe, or click, incredibly complex mathematical operations called algorithms are working behind the scenes. These algorithms, often involving sophisticated algebra, calculus, and discrete mathematics, determine what you see in your social media feed, what search results pop up on Google, or how your favorite streaming service recommends a new show. Consider online gaming, the physics in a racing game, the artificial intelligence of your opponents, the way a character moves. It's all governed by mathematical models and formulas. When you send an encrypted message, powerful number theory ensures it stays private. Even the way images are compressed to send them quickly over the internet involves clever mathematical techniques like Fourier transforms. So the next time you're scrolling through videos or playing a game, remember the immense mathematical power that's literally at your fingertips, making all that digital magic possible. Chapter 5. Beating the Clock: Mathematical Time Management. Tick-tock, tick-tock, what's that sound? It's the sound of time, and managing it effectively is another place where math shines. Simply reading a clock, whether it's an analog one with hands or a digital display, involves understanding numbers and their sequence. When you're planning your day, I need to wake up at 7 a.m., leave for work by 8:15 a.m., and my commute takes 30 minutes. You're performing addition and subtraction with units of time. Think about setting a schedule for studying or working on a project. You might break down a large task into smaller, manageable chunks, allocating a specific amount of time for each. If you have multiple appointments, you're sequencing them, figuring out travel time between them, and ensuring there are no overlaps. This isn't just about being organized, it's about using basic arithmetic and logical thinking to optimize your precious time. Understanding the mathematical nature of time helps you be more productive, less stressed, and ultimately, have more time for the things you enjoy. It's a life hack powered by numbers. Chapter 6. The Universal Language: Math as the Foundation of Other Subjects. Now let's zoom out a bit and consider the bigger picture. Math isn't just a standalone subject. It's the bedrock, the fundamental language for so many other fields of study. Consider physics. From Newton's laws of motion to Einstein's theory of relativity, it's all expressed in the precise language of mathematical equations. How do we understand the forces that govern the universe? From falling apples to orbiting planets. Through math. It allows us to model reality, make predictions, and test hypotheses. In chemistry, balancing chemical equations and calculating reaction rates relies heavily on stoichiometry, which is all about mathematical ratios. Economists use sophisticated mathematical models to understand market trends, predict economic growth, and analyze financial data. Biologists use statistics to analyze experimental results and understand population dynamics. Math provides the structure and the tools for inquiry across countless disciplines. It truly is the language of science and beyond. All right, sports fans, get ready for this. Whether you're on the field, on the court, or cheering from the stands, math is playing a crucial role in every game. Think about a basketball player shooting a free throw. Their brain is subconsciously calculating the angle and force needed for the ball to arc perfectly into the hoop. That's physics and geometry in action. A soccer player curving a shot around a wall of defenders? They're intuitively understanding spin and trajectory, all describable with mathematics. Swimmers and runners are constantly trying to optimize their speed, which is distance over time. Coaches and analysts rely heavily on statistics, a branch of mathematics, to evaluate player performance, identify strengths and weaknesses, and develop winning strategies. Batting averages in baseball, pass completion percentages in football, shot efficiency in hockey, these are all numbers that tell a story and inform decisions. Even the design of sports equipment, from the aerodynamics of a golf ball to the structure of a tennis racket, involves complex mathematical modeling. So the next time you watch your favorite team, remember that behind every spectacular play and every strategic decision, there's a whole lot of math helping to make it happen. Now for a connection you might not expect, math and the arts, specifically music and dance. Believe it or not, these creative expressions are deeply intertwined with mathematical principles. Consider music. The rhythm that makes you tap your feet, that's based on time signatures and note durations, which are essentially fractions and patterns. The harmony that sounds so pleasing to the ear, it comes from the mathematical relationships between the frequencies of different notes. Scales and chords are built on precise mathematical intervals. And what about dance? When dancers move with grace and precision, they are often counting beats, executing sequences of steps, and maintaining specific timings. That's applied arithmetic and pattern recognition. Choreography often involves spatial awareness and geometric formations. From the structured patterns in a ballet to the synchronized movements in a group performance, math provides the underlying framework. So, whether you're listening to your favorite song or watching a breathtaking dance performance, remember that there's a beautiful mathematical structure creating that magic. Isn't that harmonious? Let's get physical. When you're working out, whether it's at the gym, on a run, or even doing yoga at home, math is your silent training partner. Think about it, you count repetitions, reps, of each exercise. How many squats did you do? How many push-ups? That's basic counting, the foundation of arithmetic. You measure the duration of your workout or the time you hold a particular stretch. You might be tracking your heart rate, aiming for a specific number of beats per minute to optimize your cardio session. Your entire fitness plan is likely structured with numbers. You plan for a certain number of sets per exercise, with specific rest periods in between. If you're tracking calories burned or consumed, you're deep into addition and subtraction, monitoring your progress over time. Am I lifting heavier weights? Am I running faster or longer? Involves comparing numbers and analyzing trends. Even calculating your body mass index, BMI, or target heart rate zone involves simple mathematical formulas. So, every time you break a sweat, remember that math is helping you stay organized, motivated, and on track to reach your fitness goals. And finally, let's talk about a field where math is not just helpful, but absolutely essential: engineering. From the towering skyscrapers that shape our cities, to the intricate microchips that power our devices, every feat of engineering begins with mathematics. Civil engineers use calculus and physics to design bridges that can withstand enormous forces and tunnels that are safe and stable. They calculate loads, stresses, and material strengths, ensuring our infrastructure doesn't just look good, but functions reliably for decades. Mechanical engineers use mathematical models to design engines, machines, and all sorts of moving parts, optimizing for efficiency and performance. Electrical engineers rely on complex equations to design circuits and power systems. And software engineers? They are essentially architects of logic, using discrete mathematics, algorithms, and data structures to write the code that runs our computers, apps, and websites. Whether it's aerospace, chemical, biomedical, or computer engineering, math provides the fundamental tools for problem-solving, innovation, and building the world of tomorrow. It's the blueprint for progress. So the next time you marvel at a piece of technology or a grand structure, remember the math that made it possible. So there you have it. From the grocery store to the International Space Station, from your morning jog to the music you love, math is everywhere, quietly and powerfully shaping our daily experiences. It's not just a subject confined to classrooms or textbooks, it's a dynamic, practical tool that helps us understand, navigate, and improve the world around us. It helps us make smarter choices, solve problems more effectively, and even appreciate the beauty and order in unexpected places. See, math isn't just about solving equations on paper. It's the tool that helps us live smarter every day. The better we understand it, the better we manage time, money, health, and even fun. Embracing math is like unlocking a new level in the game of life, giving you new skills and perspectives. It empowers you to think critically, analyze information, and make informed decisions in all sorts of situations. We hope this journey through the everyday applications of math has been enlightening and, dare I say, fun. If you enjoyed this exploration and want to see more amazing content, please hit like, share this with your friends, and subscribe. And don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you never miss a video. Until next time, keep questioning, keep exploring, and remember, science and math rules.